It's blue. It's like Tiffany blue. Look at this dial. Is this insane or what? Or is it the crystal? Stick around while we get a bird's eye view with the Shanghai watch company, the legacy Azure. Online at ShanghaiWatches.com. Currently $549 US. Let's see what she's made of. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Those of you who are new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. And speaking of wrists, what's on wrist right now? You guessed it. Grand Seiko Spring Drive GMT. Those of you who are new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. Now let's give you some shots and you can gauge whether or not this one's gonna work for you. But I like this one. I like this a lot. And I think you're gonna find the measurements are real good, pretty good for a wide range of people. We're talking men, women, doesn't matter. Now 39mm case, 316L stainless steel, polished and brushed, cushion case shape, looks good. 10.9mm thickness, it's real nice. It's going to be sleek and under the cuff, no problem. 20mm lug, 45mm lug to lug, which is great. It's not spanning too far across your wrists. You're gonna enjoy that. Overall package weight, incredible, 55 grams. What? And now we have a water resistance of, well, only 50 meters, but I think we can handle that. It's not something that you're going to be taking necessarily on purpose into the pool or on the beach. So sharp design though. Screw down case back with watch information etched and a nice Shanghai design and calligraphy in the center. The star of the show though, the elevated design, blue sapphire crystal. Yes, it's not the dial, it's the glass. Now that's crazy awesome. Now the dial, gorgeous. I take it if we have blue sapphire, it's only fitting that we have a light color or white color, sunburst dial underneath. So we have great reflection and we offer and get the most out of this blue sapphire. I mean, this is something that you don't see too often. We have Shanghai signed at the 12. We have 28 Zuan, I believe that's jewels, at the 6. And I might have to get that interpreted as to what's below that, but I'll show you a close-up of it so you can kind of get a gauge of what that is. I'm going to have to use Google Interpreter, I think. A framed out date window at the 3 o'clock, black on white display, obviously color matched under the blue sapphire. It looks really sharp. Now we have arrow designed indices all the way around to the 12 o'clock where you have a double indice at the top. Good for orientation. A very clean, easy reading dial. I like it. 3-hand operation here with baton style hands and a large slim silver seconds hand running around that dial. The movement is automatic. Shanghai mechanical movement caliber 2130. We got 28,800 vibrations per hour, 28 joules and a 42-hour power reserve. Pretty decent stuff here. But it's how it feels on the wrist. It feels good. I thought at first it was going to feel cheap, but I was pleasantly surprised. That soft, genuine gray leather, really nice. It's easy to manipulate. And you know what? When it's on the wrist, it hugs the wrist. It feels good. I don't think there was a lot of break-in period here for this one. Really nice. Comfortable wear, lightweight as well, contributing to the overall lightweight package of 55 grams. That's crazy. Sleek and refined appearance to go with the classy look of this dial. Even a nod to the blue sapphire by the matching accent stitching in the strap. I like that. A slight taper from the strap at the 20mm connection down to about 17.5 at the signed polished buckle enclosure. I mean, wow, it isn't every day that you come across a watch that looks like this for that price point. If every day was your intentions to wear, you should have no problems here with the Legacy Azure. Well, to some degree. The beach and the pool, you may want to rethink those options, but otherwise you're good to go. At $549 US, not bad for this full package. ShanghaiWatches.com. Check it out. You can make your selection. There's also other designs there out for you as well. Just in case this colorway isn't, the blue sapphire is not your thing. Overall though, feels good on the wrists. I like it, looks great, and it does what it's supposed to. You know what? You can coordinate with a number of different outfits with this on, and I'm sure when you walk into the room, someone's gonna ask you what you're wearing. It's not too complicated. A casual, everyday design. 3-hand movement with date complication, and it's right where it's supposed to be traditionally at that 3 o'clock position. But you know what? It doesn't distract from the dial at all. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a suit, you can wear it with a t-shirt. Doesn't matter. No problem. It'll accommodate you, whatever you're into. I've enjoyed my time with it for this last week. It's got to go back. This is not a paid review. My opinions are my own. But you know what? Shanghai Watches. I appreciate you giving me the time to get hands-on with this one. It's nice. I'm enjoying it. Good looking and functional. And it's really cool with that secret under its sleeve. It works. Let me know how you feel about it. I'm Ross. See you on the next one.